So we definitely love to garden, but I also love to build stuff. Although this is not a do-it-yourself on woodworking, I thought I'd show you guys what I put together. Coming from a background of construction, I get a vision and I pretty much go from there. I don't have any dimensions. If you do want the dimensions, if you like the way it came out, please let me know and I'll be glad to put them out there. Again, just wanted you to show you guys what we put together and what it all came together looking like in the end. So far, here's the frame. Reinforced it pretty good. Right here, I'm gonna put a cover there. That's how far down the soil will pour down to. Then I'll encase it in plastic. The rest of it, I'm gonna wrap in wooden siding. That way I'll be able to stain the whole thing when I'm done. And then the top, you'll see what I do with the top. I'm gonna do some corners. So for this planter, we're gonna use a black potato vine, magenta color bells, Super Tunia Bordeaux. We're gonna use a magenta plum colored looking verbena, some purple salvia, purple fountain grass, and these are the illustrious black elephant ears. So it's been raining, that's why some of these plants look kind of leggy. We don't water them when it rains, but we're gonna get them bouncing back right as soon as we plant them in there. Get them fertilized and get them looking nice. So the fertilizer we're gonna use is we use the Proven Winners fertilizer, slow release, and then we fertilize once a week or every 2 weeks. As you can see, we're not sticking to one particular brand, and I'll explain after we're done. So we use the fountain grass as a thriller, the ears, the salvia as a filler, and the Bordeaux and the bells can also be considered as a filler as well as a spiller. We got the black potato vine as well, which will grow out from the sides and over the top and be a spiller as well. So it's been about 4 days since we planted this. Started pouring on us right after we did this. The rain kind of got to the ears there a little bit, but there's another one growing, so that's good. So you can see here we used the black potato vine. Hopefully it'll grow up and over and to the side, right in the center as well, over here onto the left. And the bells are growing out nicely. So we didn't use all the same plant brand, and that was why I stated earlier. I'll explain. This inspiration was from Proven Winners. We wanted everything to look kind of similar, but we couldn't find everything Proven Winners, and some of the stuff was out of stock online. We originally wanted to do a window basket, but at the home that we currently live in, we can't do that. So we looked at the magazine, the Proven Winners, and found something we liked, and this is what we came up with. Hope it's inspiration for those of you that can't do the same. So one thing I failed to mention in our videos is we use organic soil, potting soil for potting and garden soil for gardening. Nothing added into it, just we fertilize with Proven Winners slow release fertilizer, and we will be fertilizing this once a week or once every 2 weeks with water soluble fertilizer from Proven Winners. Hope you like it. Please comment below. Let us know what you think.